The ocean holds its breath. Somewhere in the blue, a giant is struggling. Something is feeding on it. This is a reef manta ray. Wingspan wider than a car. A creature built for effortless, silent flight. For millions of years, mantas have ruled these waters. Filter feeders, gentle giants, masters of open ocean. But grace comes with a cost. Parasites cling to its skin, tiny invaders it has no way to remove. Some burrow deep into the gills, the very organs the manta depends on to breathe underwater. Left untreated, infection can spread. Weakness follows. In the open ocean, weakness rarely goes unnoticed for long. So the manta does something remarkable. It slows its glide, banks sharply, and begins its descent toward a place known only to those who live here. A cleaning station, hidden in the reef's quiet corners. These stations are rare, scattered across the reef, known by memory, passed down through generations of ocean travelers. Here, dozens of cleaner wrasse wait, small, striped in electric blue, darting with sharp, practiced purpose. They perform a subtle dance, a signal, an advertisement. We are open, we are ready to help. The manta responds. It hovers, wings spread wide, body perfectly still. An unmistakable invitation. The wrasse move in without hesitation. This is the moment both species have been waiting for. They swim into gill slits, into the mouth itself. Places no predator would ever dare enter. Every parasite, every patch of dead skin, removed with a precision no larger creature could manage. This shouldn't work. A mouth that could swallow the fish whole holds perfectly, deliberately still. One wrong move could end it instantly. And yet, neither species has broken this truce in millions of years. For long minutes, the ritual continues. Precision, patience, an exchange with no words, only instinct. Word spreads through reef currents in ways science still struggles to explain. Others begin to arrive. They circle patiently, waiting their turn, silent commuters in an unspoken, orderly line. This station isn't an accident. It's an institution, visited for generations, remembered across decades of reef life. Researchers recognize individuals by their markings. Some mantas return to this exact station year after year. Across the ocean, thousands of these stations exist. Quiet hubs holding entire ecosystems in careful balance. But even sanctuary carries risk. Sometimes larger predators drift closer, drawn by the gathering of giants. The wrasse scatter first, sensing the shift before the manta does. Instinct outpaces sight in these waters.
The cleaning stops instantly. The manta rises, gills pulsing in short, urgent bursts of motion.
Even paradise has borders it must defend. Safety here was never permanent, only ever temporary. The threat passes. The reef exhales. Slowly, cautiously, the wrasse return to their posts. And remarkably, the manta returns too. The need for relief outweighs the memory of danger. The ritual resumes, gentler now, both species aware of what they risk to be here. As the sun fades through the surface above, the manta lifts away, lighter, cleaner, alive. Behind it, the reef continues its endless work. Small fish, enormous creatures, quiet loyalty repeated daily. An unspoken contract, sealed in silence. In the ocean's depths, survival was never a solo act. Sometimes, it's a favor returned, one cleaning at a time. If this moved you, stay with us.